Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Porsche 911 easily. We'll begin by laying down the fundamental structure. Use light pencil strokes to sketch a long rectangle for the main body and 2 circles for the wheels. These initial shapes will serve as your blueprint, guiding the overall proportions and placement of key components. Think of it as building a strong foundation for your artwork. Now, let's transform those basic shapes into the recognizable form of the Porsche 911. Gently connect the lines to create the smooth, flowing curves of the body. Pay close attention to the roofline, which gracefully slopes towards the rear. Outline the windshield and side windows, ensuring they align with the car's elegant profile. This step brings out the vehicle's unique character. With the main body established, it's time to add the crucial details. Focus on the wheels, giving them depth by drawing the rims and tire thickness. Sketch the signature around headlights and the sleek taillights. Don't forget the smaller elements like the door lines, side mirrors, and any subtle air vents. These features are essential for making your Porsche 911 truly stand out. Finally, let's bring your drawing to life with shading and finishing touches. Use light pencil strokes to add subtle shading, creating a sense of three-dimensional form. Apply darker tones to areas like under the car, within the wheel wells, and in any recessed sections to enhance depth. Carefully erase all your initial guidelines for a clean, polished result. Practice makes perfect.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.